Don't forget to grab your books from the Publix Information Center in the front of the store. This stores your extra savings flyer and any available Publix books and the weekly ad. You have until Friday night to do this deal. Mission chips are on sale in the extra savings flyer. I swear they never get on the speaker until I get on my phone. It's like a joke here. Okay, on sale 2 for $5. There's a $1 off one printable coupon, which is in the link below, making these $1.50 a bag. Cake bites are on sale, BOGO at $3.99 this week. They are my favorites. They're so good. I love the lemon with coffee in the morning. All right, I don't profess that it does anything great for your waist, but I have a deal for your pocketbook. They have a $1.50 back rebate on Ibotta, making these 99 cents for 2 or 50 cents a piece. Hopefully you can hear me competing with the loudspeaker. Nabisco on sale, BOGO at $2.99. There's a 75-cent off 2 coupon in your Smart Source. 110, buy 2, use 1, and pay $1.12 a bag. I finally found one lone peely for this Cheerios deal. I'm so excited. I'm going to break it down in a minute, but I want to grab this peely. Okay, Cheerios are still on sale for $3.99. BOGO at $3.99. Some of the boxes are a little more, but these guys are on sale for $3.99. You want to get one of these because there is a rebate. One of the Honey Nut Cheerios, no matter what you do, because there is a rebate for getting one of these completely free. But it has to be Honey Nut Cheerios. Then there is that little peely that I just scored. I've lost it in my Folgers mess. Here it is. Okay, so then there is a peely for buy any 4 boxes of Cheerios and get a $5 Publix gift card. If your store will allow you to give the LU number, it's LU number 10631. Some stores will just type that in and help you out. But you would buy 4 boxes, use 2 of the $1 off 2 coupon. There is an insert coupon or a printable coupon. Pay $1.50 at the register and for each box, but get your $5 Publix gift card back. So they're going to be free. Then additionally, you can submit for a free one of the Honey Nut Cheerios, getting you $4 back on that. So this is a great deal, especially if you can find this buy any 4 boxes, get the $5 gift card peely. Just look for it on boxes in your store. If you don't see it, you can ask them if you can use this LU number. It's valid until the 28th, the gift card offer. Literally, I've been looking. Jennifer Shell posted this in my Facebook group like 2 weeks ago, and I've been looking for 2 weeks and just found this one. So it's going to be a treasure hunt. Is that what it's called? Treasure hunt? I blanked. But look, it's fun. Come on, guys. It's fun. Fun in couponing. Folgers cans are on sale, BOGO at $4.37. We have a $1 off one printable coupon, making them $2.37 for 2 cans. Let's see. Super excited about my Cheerios coupon I just found, but there's only one. What does that make them a piece? $1.25 a piece. Gonna make these super cheaper. $2.37, so oh no, I have them at $4.49. That's the wrong sign I was looking at in my breakdown. $4.49, they went down like 10 cents. That's not bad though, I'll take it. Alright, so that's gonna make them like $1.20 a piece. Alright, we got a great deal on Quaker. They are on sale a BOGO. It's on the instant oatmeal. They are on sale BOGO at $3.69. Some of them are $4.29, depending on which ones you buy. I'm going to do the breakdown with the $3.69. Let's see. Okay, so there is a $1 off 2 coupon in your Smart Source 110. So you're going to buy 2, use 1 of that coupon in your Smart Source 110. And then you're going to stack it with the $1 off one coupon in your Best You book. You may use 2 of those in a transaction, leaving you with 69 cents for 2 or 35 cents a piece. All right, we have an unadvertised deal on Mission this week. They are on sale BOGO at $3.09. There's a $1 off one coupon. I will put it in the link below. It is a PDF coupon, so you can print it as many times as you like. You would buy 2, use 2 of the coupon, pay $1.09 for 2 or 55 cents each. The coupon is part of the A1A coupons that come out every year for a race that happens down south. You can use the coupons at any store. They are manufacturer coupons, so they could be used at Walmart even, but you can use them at any Publix. Don't forget to pick up your free soup with your digital coupon. These are $3.79 regular price, and there's a digital coupon for a free one to try. Pick it up while you're in Publix. Smithfield pork tenderloins are on sale BOGO at $9.99 again, making them just $5 a piece. These are great to just throw in the crock pot and have an easy dinner on the weekend. Sunny D on sale BOGO at $1.99. Springer Mountain Farms chicken breast is on sale BOGO this week at $6.79 a pound. There is a $1.50 off printable coupon. They send it to you in an email once you sign up on their website. They send you one every month, so sign up if you haven't. I'll put the link in the information below. Marie Colander entrees are on sale BOGO at $5.99 this week. That chicken and cheesy rice looks popular, making them just $3 a piece. There's no coupon, but they are part of the frozen rewards where you spend $30 and you get a $10 gift card, so you could submit them to that and get credit towards that $30. Red Baron Pizza is on sale BOGO at $5.07 again. Great deal, $2.50, $2.60 for a pizza for lunch. I'm picking up 2. Alright, So Delicious yogurts are on sale. The pairings are on sale 4 for $5 this week. I was told that there is a $1 off one So Delicious coupon on their website when you sign up. I signed up with a new email and I haven't gotten the coupon yet, but it's only been about 12 hours, so I'm not certain if it's coming or not. I can't say for definite, so I haven't made this post. There's also an Ibotta rebate for $1.15 off one, so that would make these a small money maker after Ibotta, or not a small money maker. It would make them a money maker after Ibotta. And I have tried these. The salted caramel is my favorite. I also like the key lime pie. They have a spiced blueberry, a cocoa almond crunch. They are very good, but these 2 are my favorite personally. So you could try these this week if you haven't tried them. So you would use the $1 off one coupon, pay 25 cents at the register, then submit to Ibotta for $1.15 cash back. Additionally, are these part of the Crave and Save Silk? Yes, they are part of the Crave and Save rebate. So for every $20 you spend, you get a $5 Publix gift card. Okay, then additionally, we have a coupon for Chobani, which is in your Smart Source 131. It is off the Chobani oat milk, which is on sale BOGO this week at $3.99. You would, unfortunately, the coupon is only limit 1 per transaction. So you could buy 1 if you're in a half BOGO area at $2. Use 1 of the $1 off coupon and pay just $1. If you're in a true BOGO area, I want to say there's a digital coupon. Check your digital coupons for that digital coupon that may be in there, and you could buy 2, use 1 of the digital coupon and 1 of the insert coupon and still get it for $1 a piece. Okay, Persil is on sale. Buy 2, get $10 off this week. The $3 coupon is only valid on the disc, which is great because they are cheaper than the liquid. So here's how the deal breaks down. Buy 2 of the discs on sale. Buy 2, get $10 off, and they are regular price $11.99. use one of the $3 off coupon, which is limit one per transaction. Then use a $2 off coupon found in your RMN 27. Both of these are in your RMN 27. Also, limit one per transaction. So the coupon terms read limit one identical coupon per transaction, so that's why you're using two different coupons. They're not identical, so that's fine. Pay $4.49 each at the register. Then there is a deal going on now until the 27th on Hinkle products, which Purcell is, where you spend $30 and you get a $10 gift card. I'm going to assume that's $30 after coupons, but start uploading and it should track it for you and see. I ordered these coupons last night when I saw the buy 10 get 30 deal, because I'm pretty stocked on Purcell, but hey, that's an even more amazing deal, and I was like, what the heck, I'm gonna go ahead and get some. So hopefully they get here in time. But anyway, after coupons, $4.49 at the register for these, and then submit to the rebate. The link to the rebate is in the best deals below. All right, next up, Snuggle In-Wash Freshness Booster is on sale. 2 for $6. It's regularly $5.19. There is a $1 off one coupon in your RMN 27, making them $2, and then you have the additional rebate. This qualifies for the rebate of when you purchase 30, you get a $10 gift card from Hinkle. So the information for that rebate is in the link below. Okay, I printed this coupon off of, I'll put the link to it below, yesterday. Hopefully it's still there. It's off of $2 off any Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine treatment or styling product, which this is. It says excludes 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 2.9 ounce, and 3 ounce. We're fine there. That's 10.2 ounces. And these are on sale. The cream are on sale for $2.99 unadvertised, and this is a $2 coupon, so you are good to go there, making these just 99 cents. Link to the coupon below. Planet Oat Milk is on sale, BOGO at $3.99. There was a printable coupon last week for $1 off one. Planet Oat has taken that off of their website. But if you printed it, you can still use it. It was on sale last week, 2 for $5, so a lot of people printed it to get that deal, but this is a better deal. So it is on sale, BOGO at $3.99. There's a $1 off one printable coupon. It's a manufacturer coupon. And then there is a $1 off one coupon in the Publix Best U book. That's this book right here that you would stack it with, making these absolutely free after those 2 coupons. If you don't have the manufacturer coupon, you could just use 2 of the $1 off one coupons in the Best U book and pay $1 a piece. All right, next up, this deal is happening at the Barker house because we go through Advil. So Advil is on sale, the 50 count box, or you can do the 36 count box dual action, which I've heard things are great. Heard great things about. All right, they are on sale $6.29. There's a $2 off printable coupon, which I will put in the link below. Or you may use the $2 off coupon in your RMN 27 if you have it. And then you are going to stack that with the extra savings flyer coupon that comes out Saturday, the 13th. It is a $2 off Advil 18 to 300 count coupon, and that would make these $2.29. Again, that coupon does not come out until Saturday. It's in the extra savings flyer, making these $2.29. All right, you got a couple days to do this You Buy Kotex deal. The tampons and liners and pads are on sale, 2 for $6 in your current extra savings flyer. There is a $3 off 2 coupon that is valid until the 12th, Friday night. It expires on Friday. You can use that on 2. It is valid on the tampons, pads, or liners that are on sale 2 for $6. And then additionally, there's a $2 off 2 coupon in your Smart Source 27 on either the pads, liners, or tampons. There's 2 different coupons. Or there is a $2 off 2 digital coupon. Printable coupon. There's a $2 off 2 printable coupon. So the link to that is below. You would buy 2, use one of the $2 off 2 manufacturer coupon, either printable or insert, and then stack it with the $3 off 2 coupon from your extra savings flyer, making these just 50 cents a piece.